Marketing has evolved completely and changed over the period of time. From traditional, it has become digital, and rightly so, because on an average today, a person spends more than 6 hours on internet. So hi everyone, my name is Rohit Jha, and in this video I'm going to talk about careers in digital marketing and what all information you need to have beforehand if you are planning to have a career in digital marketing. But before I start, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon on the screen so that you will be notified whenever we'll upload a variety of videos on a lot of career opportunities, overseas MBA, MIM programs, interviews, as well as on resume. But before I start this video, I am quickly going to give you a background of this whole video. So I'm going to talk about the background and scope of digital marketing, types of digital marketing, what are the skills required to pursue a career in this, what are the resources, salaries, etc. So do watch this video till the end because it's very much relevant if you are planning to make a career in digital marketing. So let's talk about a little bit about the background of the digital marketing. So as I mentioned, today most of the companies, or I would say all of them, they have moved from the traditional billboards to online banners, to streets. They have moved to internet, and rightly so, because as I mentioned, because of the highest internet penetration rate and easily accessible internet usage, people are shifted online, and on an average, as I mentioned, more than 6 hours spending on internet is a very good, or I would say a considerable amount of your life. So that is the reason, this is the transformation shift that you have seen from completely traditional form of marketing to an online or the digital form of marketing. Now that leads me to the next question, the scope of this, or maybe what's the future, because when you are planning a career, you definitely foresee the future of a particular industry or a particular domain. So if you talk about the scope, I think today most of the companies, barring few of the top firms, they can afford these billboards and expensive marketing ideas, but most of them, they have gone digital in one form or another. So we'll see multiple types of digital marketing. So they have moved digital and they are heavily investing in this particular field. So what does this mean? This means the scope is definitely going to be very high, not only this year, even in future. So there are going to be a lot of jobs, a lot of opportunities. Of course, salary and the money part will also be very, very important. It depends on a lot of other factors as well. But definitely this has a very good scope. And if you're planning to make a career in this, it's definitely one of the most promising career opportunities. And it's in the top 5 career opportunities if you talk about the most promising career opportunities, apart from data science and cloud computing, etc. So digital marketing is also one of them. So that's the scope of this particular domain. Now let's talk about the types of digital marketing which you can explore if you're planning to start a career. Now let's talk about the first type. So the first type is social media marketing. Now as I mentioned, because most of the time you are on internet, then I think majority of the time you are on social media. So the consumers have shifted to social media or the digital platforms. So rightly, the companies would also shift their focus on the social media platforms. So today, every company wants to have a social media presence. They have a page, they want to grow their page organically, inorganically, both the ways. So what you can do as a career option, you can understand and learn the social media aspects. Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Quora, they all are different platforms. You need to understand the intent of that platform and how you can actually market yourself on that platform. That's what you need to learn when you understand the social media platform. Accordingly, obviously, you can target your products or services on those platforms. And the other part is the paid advertising on these platforms. So that's the other part you can learn with respect to the social media marketing. You can learn the paid advertising through a lot of courses, which I'm going to tell you. So these are the two aspects of social media marketing. Now in this video, I'm going to go very quick on explaining these types of online marketing or digital marketing, because this video is not about only this topic. This is about the whole digital marketing as a career. So I'll make separate videos on these career opportunities. So next is very important, and the number 2 is search engine optimization. Now as I mentioned, the social media part, now for any company to grow or succeed in the long run, you need to have an organic reach. So for that, you need to have a very strong search engine optimization strategies. So there are a lot of strategies for search engine optimization. So when I say search engine optimization, I mean you have to rank very high on Google for a particular product or service that you're gonna sell it to your consumers in the long run, so that it increases your website traffic, that obviously eventually leads to converts into the sales. Now how you're going to do that? So there are a lot of strategies. You can use the backlink strategy, then you can have the content optimization strategy, and there are a couple of others that we'll discuss in some other video, but I'm just telling you this particular type of digital marketing which is very popular. So this was the number 2. Now number 3 is the content marketing. Now as I say, today a consumer wants to understand, they want to know before they buy. And that's the reason, most of the companies, they are fighting to write engaging content to enhance their user experience as well as to hold them forever. So that's why the content marketing is extremely relevant. What content, blogs, articles you are producing, and how you are actually driving traffic to your website through these articles, and eventually it gets converted into leads. So that's why content marketing is another promising field which you can target within digital marketing. Now number 4 is search engine optimization. Search engine marketing. Now don't get confused with search engine optimization and search engine marketing. Search engine optimization is for the organic growth, as I told you, to rank very high on the search engines. Now search engine marketing is completely paid advertising on various search engines. For example, you will understand Google AdWords is a classic example of search engine marketing. So you can learn and understand how the Google AdWords, you can learn and understand how to bid for keywords, how to find the right keywords for your business. These are the things you're going to learn in Google AdWords courses. So this is again one of the examples. Another example could be pay per click, and that's also on various social media platforms, just like this ads. So but focus on Google Ad, that's a classic example of search engine marketing. So this is the fourth major type, I would say, for digital marketing. Now the next is the email marketing. Now email marketing, of course, is the traditional way, but still it's the most popular way today as well. You can see a lot of emails coming to your inbox every day, a lot of promotional offers, services. So the companies, what they do is they generally send you a lot of offers, promotions and newsletters to enhance their experience, their users experience, as well as to obviously attract them to buy their products and services. So this is definitely an old age method, but definitely this is not going to die soon. It's very popular today as well. So this is another form of digital marketing you can always target. Now the next one is the affiliate marketing. This is a new concept, or not new of course, but this is a different type of marketing. In the affiliate marketing, the seller is free from the marketing strategies. They hire an affiliate to promote and sell their products, and what they do is they share the profits with whatever number of sales that the affiliates are doing, and depending on they have some analytical tools to track that. So for example, I am the seller, I'm going to hire an affiliate. An affiliate could be anyone, an influencer, a blogger, or any micro blogger in any particular industry. So all those people, they are affiliates. They act on behalf of the sellers. So what they do is they sell their products, and then they get commission, or whatever you can say, revenue sharing in that particular domain with the products and services. So this is how the affiliate marketing works. Now the last one is the influencer marketing. Again, as the word clearly suggests, influencer. So there are a lot of social media platforms, like for example Instagram. They are heavily dependent on Instagram influencer marketing. So they start even from mini influencers to the top class influencer. For example, even if you have 10,000 followers, but if you have a particular niche, for example, you are a fashion blogger, or maybe you are a person who give fashion tips and you are an expert in that particular domain, then a lot of fashion companies, they might connect with you, and they tell you to sell their products through their social media channels, or maybe through your blogging platforms, through videos or post, any ways you can sell. So it's just like hiring an influencer directly to sell a product, not selling directly to the consumer, but telling an influencer to endorse your product to sell that. So this is about the influencer marketing. So these are the 7 major type of digital marketing areas, or the expertise you can explore. But of course, there are a lot of other areas with the subheadings within these that we'll take up in further videos. Now the idea to tell you all these, why I'm telling you this, because the next question leads me that do you need any technical skills, or what are the skills if I want to start a career in digital marketing? Now if I want to start a career in digital marketing, I would say you don't need any technical skills. Even if you are a graduate, for example, you did a bachelor's degree in any stream, irrespective of science, commerce or arts, you don't have to do any technical stuff in this particular marketing domain. You just need to understand these tools, you just need to work on them, learn through some courses, and then just apply, and you can easily learn. So there is no entry barrier if you talk about the learning part. In terms of learning, there is no barrier in this particular industry. But that leads to the next question: who actually should start a career in digital marketing? Now this question is very important, so just listen to me and be very careful. Now when I say digital marketing, again, this is a term which is a part of marketing only. So just like you choose any other career, for example, you choose science because you love science, you love physics or chemistry, or you love maths, so, and you love statistics, so you make a career in statistics. You love economics. It's the same way. If you don't love marketing, you don't have that natural flair for creativity, for selling, for persuasion, so these are the skills. If you don't have, then I would not recommend you to enter into the digital marketing world. Now, because what will happen, I'll tell you. As I told you, the entry barriers are very low, which means you can do any course, you can learn anything. For example, today I tell you that just go ahead and learn the Facebook ad campaign, how to run that campaign. Now, how to run that campaign, it's very simple. You can learn in 1 hour. But if you don't have a natural marketing inclination, then you won't be able to create an innovative, let's say, product or a solution for your client. Because then again, creating engaging content or creating engaging post requires a lot of creativity. So that's why I'm telling you, this is a domain of marketing only. Today what happened is, just because this is a promising field, everyone wants to get into digital marketing irrespective of their background. So just like any other career opportunity, take this as a career where if you are interested, and just check out, do some analysis, do some introspection. And I'm not saying that if you need to just be 100% sure. Of course, if you are very young, let's say you are 20, 21, and you won't be able to figure out about this, but you can still go back and check some of the creative elements what you have done in the past, and then you can relate it to this field. So then only enter into this field, and then next step of course is to learn the field. And next step would be, out of these 7 which I told you, either you become an expert in one of the fields, or you just learn everything and maybe become a digital marketing manager in future. But again, it depends on your work experience as well. But this is the way to go it. Either one or maybe all 5 or 7 types of digital marketing tools. So this is about this. Now let's talk about the resources. Some of the resources you would require. Now a lot of people, they ask me, do I need to have any degree or any certification? So you don't need any official degree to become a digital marketer. You just, maybe if you are a bachelor and there is a difficulty in getting into in any organization, you can do a quick online certification courses. There are a lot of free certification courses are available. There are a few paid ones as well, but don't do an expensive course in this, because you don't need that. There are hundreds of freely available sources on YouTube and on other platforms. I'll just put some of them in the description. And so the most popular one, you can watch the videos of Neil Patel. He is #1 online marketer. I have learned a lot of things from Neil Patel's video, so you can use that as well. And apart from the learning part, for the certification, you can take certification from any of the organizations. Just see any reputed organization is giving you the certificate, so that will be enough. The more important part is the knowledge that you can gain through the online medium. So there is no requirement of any degree or certification. Anyone can do it, whether you are just passed out from high school or a bachelor's degree or a master's degree. So there is no entry barrier in that as well. But now the problem is, now we move to the salary part. So a lot of people ask me how much I can make when I enter into digital marketing world. So it is just like same any other career opportunity. When you will enter as a fresher, which means even if you do a lot of online courses, you don't have any knowledge of you haven't ran any campaigns for any particular client, you haven't executed any digital marketing strategy for anyone till now. So of course the entry level salaries will be it will be low, and of course it starts very low from 15,000 a month maybe to 25,000. And if you are maybe an MBA from a top class institution, then obviously things might get different. Maybe you get 45k. And if you have maybe a slight work experience in this field, or then of course you might get a little bit extra. So the very important element which I tell you, if you are very interested in making a career in this, you can always try your hand while you are doing those online courses. Just create your own website, or just create one thing which you are passionate about. For example, you are passionate about fitness, so just create an online website for fitness and just promote that website. Now, while doing this, you will learn all the aspects of digital marketing. You can go to social media marketing, you can try search engine optimization, you can even try the paid advertising, search engine marketing. So just for the learning also, you don't need an expert to actually guide you. You just can be your own expert. So just start with your passion, create a website. It's very easy. You can use Wix, you can use WordPress. I would say you can use Wix. You can start your website in 1,000 rupees, 1,000 or 1,500 rupees. And then just start using the digital medium. So the learning will be immense, and you can always sell this when you are going for a job in future. So this is the way you can learn. So this is about a complete career in the digital marketing domain. Again, my closing thoughts would be, see, whatever you all know, these are the types of digital marketing. You can become an expert in this. These are the resources available online. Scope is great in digital marketing. But again, if you are very passionate about marketing or very much interested in marketing, then only go for this domain. Else it would be very difficult for you. In future, you won't succeed in this particular career opportunity, just like any other career option. So with this, thank you so much for listening to me, and in the meantime, do like, share and comment, and do provide the feedback so that we can also improve and we can make a lot of other videos on other career opportunities. So in the meantime, take care and bye bye.